Okay. I'm here to I won't call. The fine. Court was on the bat. Another case. Yes, above for a case. Yes, I did not tell me. No, so yeah, call. And was okay. I'm here to I won't call. The fine. Court was on the bat. Another case. Yes, above for a case. Yes, I did not tell me. No, so yeah, call. And was
Hello guys, early today I made a post that Nana Agradaa has been arrested and she is in the CID headquarters. But hey guys, she has been billed. Nana Agradaa ya billing. Just say ye file de ko ya utia usika ni abelu. So Nana Agradaa has been granted bail. Na nisika man na 500,000 Ghana cedis. Yes, we be say 5 billion old Ghana cedis. Na Charlie Nana Agradaa ye billing no pe na revenue obofo Sunday ni case ebe sua no say wadidi Nana Agradaa wadidi revenue obofo atem intino osan ewo another case. But hey guys, Nana Agradaa sika gare ne de Ghana fo hey ye jai no na minim say TV station so ye baby amane back there and ye minim Akuapem Polo so ye jai no na nkofo ka say first in first out ye jai Akuapem Polo and ya chi Nana Agradaa. But it seems Nana Agradaa de anche or them one day pay money they talk. So Nana Agradaa watia ni 500,000 Ghana cedis no emma ye jino intino de nkofo ka say na say Ghana kra de yefo o utimi ye nkwase ade kra ne bechiwa uti osika pani ayu and ye de ho bejim. So right now no I can see say and share that effective being people are saying Ghana government there is so see this woman way it goes scam a lot of people. What dim ko fusika say nkofo de ne car like he hu na wan mpa e be puna run ho manaka ne underwear ne etimi akochina na mame engege abomode mi akochina mojano send say hunti mako beli say what you sika. So guys, I'm not here to waste your time. The news is that Nana Agradaa is now a free woman and she is again facing another problem. Revenue for Edenoso Ako courts say what did not him. Ye disa information na DBC Biano Ghana Today TV. My name is Simon Tony P and I'm out.
Okay. I'm here to I won't call. The fine. Court was on the bat. Another case. Yes, above for a case. Yes, I did not tell me. No, so yeah, call. And was okay. I'm here to I won't call. The fine. Court was on the bat. Another case. Yes, above for a case. Yes, I did not tell me. No, so yeah, call. And was